Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Schultz with HydroWorx, and today we're presenting the K900 underwater treadmill. So I'm just going to go over the basic pieces of equipment that actually come with the unit. As you see, we have the underwater treadmill chamber here, and I'm going to walk over and show you the plant pack that comes with it that has all the pool equipment, filtration, and heater housed with it, and also the 400-gallon water storage tank. So this is all included, and the water gets recycled in between patients, filtered and heated when it's not being used. The unit's made of 316 stainless steel and real glass. So when you're talking about infection control and microbial influence, this is basically the best material that you can have on the market. Something that's quite unique and special is that we have a patented door locking mechanism. Is considered a walkthrough system, and I'm going to show you how the doors actually function to allow patients to get in and out of the unit, and personnel for that matter. It makes it very easy for everybody to get in the unit and out. So both doors opening outwards make it very simple and easy, and I'll show you myself walking through. And there you have it. There's our walkthrough system. From a safety perspective, it's a very nice feature to have because you're able to actually open the doors with water in the unit in case of an emergency. So it also makes it very easy to get patients in and out of the unit. You don't have to turn them around. You don't have to back them out. So a walkthrough is nice, especially if you've got a neuro case. I'm now going to kind of look at the touchscreen for you. You can actually move the touchscreen to where you're located on the unit. This makes it really easy, depending on where you want to stand and watch the patient exercise. So some things I'll go through on the touchscreen real quick. You push it to start, and then you can see you've got your water depth, you've got your speed, you've got your time, and also you've got the powered incline, which is included with our unit. You can take a look here when I go into water depth. It'll give you an alert to make sure that the doors are closed before the patient's going to exercise. And as you can see, we actually have preset fill levels. So you can choose those levels at any point you wish, and then you can actually manually modify them according to what the needs of the patient are at the time they're exercising. And you can actually change the water depth throughout the entire session. So next we have the actual speed in miles per hour. So as you can see, it starts at approximately 0.1 miles an hour. It actually can go all the way up to approximately 7 miles an hour. So it gives you a lot of range and speed just based off the patient's needs and whether they're rehabbing or conditioning, working on weight loss, things of that nature. Next, we can go into the time. This will actually keep track of the time for the entire session and the distance that the patient has traveled throughout the exercise session. And then something that's quite unique about our system is that we actually have a powered incline. So this allows you to actually incline the treadmill belt while the patient's exercising up to 3.5 degrees without having to manually adjust the incline of the belt as they're actually walking. So you can start the patient flat, and then as they warm up and as they get more acclimated, you can actually incline the treadmill belt and challenge them in different ways. We also have a very nice feature when you're actually going to clean the unit and get underneath the treadmill belt to do your thorough cleaning. You basically hit the home screen. You touch the clean mode for the inclining of the belt on the other end. So you press the up arrow, and as you can see, the treadmill belt is actually inclining on that end to allow you to have access underneath the belt. So this is really important when you potentially have a patient that might have had an accident in the unit, such as a code brown, and it allows you to actually get underneath the belt and clean anything out that you need to. Also comes in handy when you do your thorough deep cleaning, which is typically on a weekly basis. So here is our remote control app that you download to your smart device. And as you can see, it actually mirrors the touch screen. So you can control everything that you need to control via your smartphone or your tablet. I can go through the water depth, so I can hit the preset level of 8 inches. Water's coming on. I can go into the speed. I can also go in to the time. And you can control the incline as well. So this is just another feature that shows how extremely user-friendly this is for you and your patients. So another additional feature I like to point out is the fact that we have these non-slip tread plates. So I'll show you that when you can get in when you need to work with the patient. You can actually, it's very easy to shut the door, close the system. And now I can actually straddle or work with the patient as needed. We also have a therapist bench, so you can sit down. It just makes it really easy to actually work with the patient if they're having any neuro issues or any type of deficiencies in regards to their gait or patterning.